Hello everyone. My name is Nur Ahmed. I'm in the 8th grade. I'm from Ishik International School. I made this device called the hydrophone. Why did I make this? Water scarcity is a major issue. Over 2 billion people around the world have access to clean drinking water. But what if we could pull water directly from the air around us? This is exactly what my device does. I built a solar-powered water extractor that captures moisture from the air that condenses it into liquid water. It works by using a special cooling component called the filter module, which helps in the condensation process. This device can be used in areas where water is scarce, providing a potential solution to one of the world's biggest challenges. My device runs on solar power. The heart of my project is the filter module, and then after the water is condensed, it goes in the collection container where it's stored and filtered for drinking. As you can see my device in action, here's the filter module itself. You can see that there's 2 sides. One side is cold and the hot side, but the hot side is not actually hot because I'm using the cooling fan and heating, which removes the extra heat. You can see that this side is cold and it's wet, making water, and then it's gonna drop into this collection container where it's stored and filtered for drinking. In summary, my device captures water from the air using the filter module and solar power. It provides a sustainable, renewable, and portable way to collect water in areas where it's needed most. With future development, this could be a real solution to water scarcity. Thank you for your time.